He had a pickup truck and the devil's eyes.
Let's do the time warp again.
Bless my soul. I really love that rock and roll.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my mom, Frankenfurter. I am Columbia, if you don't know me. If you don't know Rocky Horror Picture Show, then this is gonna make no sense. No sense at all.
Don't know Rocky? Who wouldn't know Rocky?
I know. I thought the same thing, but you never know.
Check it out.
Please do. If you want to see how you and your mom could be Columbia and Frankenfurter, then make sure to keep watching.
Come up to the lab. See what's on the slab.
So creepy. She gets right into character.
I better turn my phone off.
Again.
Did it do it in the middle of our...
Yeah, and we were already dressed as Snow White and the Queen, so we're like...
Oh, well.
Anyways,
I'm working and doing shots.
she put eyeball candies in these Jello shots, so we're about to choke and die, I think.
The bad candy.
Oh my god, it's filled with booze. Here.
Okay.
Blend that out, ya bee.
So we didn't show you our clean face program.
Or what?
Oh, didn't we have to wash and stuff first?
No.
No, okay, because I have eyebrows and I could have washed them off. I think I have to wash them off anyway.
Oh, no, you know what? His makeup is so bad, they actually have his eyebrows showing through.
Through his... Okay.
So we're gonna go right.
Perfect.
Nasty.
Awesome. I can hardly wait to be nasty.
Love it. Do you need more?
Well,
Actually, that looks quite nice. I think I put on too much. Oh, thanks. Oh, nice.
my Frank nails.
Oh my god, you went all out.
I totally love being here.
We look good.
We
This is the start of our
do.
tutorial every year. We look like this is
The
always the start.
Imagine that.
Okay, I'm gonna give you some RCMA no color powder. I'm just gonna pop it in here. Don't use that brush though.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Woo. Looking more and more like Frank.
You're done. That's it.
Yeah, I feel it.
You look exactly like Tim Curry.
Well, then I'll send you a satanic mechanic.
Contour time.
Contour time.
Okay, let's go back to that really, really apparent contour photo. Put this way up above your actual cheek. Right down. Have you ever been in drag before?
Never. Have you?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember. And even Maisie has. Well, I've always wanted to see my nose long and Frankish.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Today's the day.
I'm so excited. Well, we'll just have to put the TV on, show the kids, because I bet it's going to be on TV before Halloween.
You want to show the kids Rocky Horror?
I'm sure they have seen it. Oh,
Wait, what?
pretty sure they were there and I had it on.
I think Ollie did mention that he had seen it.
Yeah.
And I was like, where'd you see it? He's like, oh,
Yeah.
nowhere.
Well, they were probably the same age as you children when you saw it.
You look like Squidward.
Great.
Tracy Furter.
Tracy and Furter.
It sounds like a company. Like Tracy and Co. Tracy and Furter.
It's like my everyday makeup.
Oh my god.
It's my Saturday routine, Jordy.
My weekend makeup.
My weekend makeup for sure.
Love it.
Columbia.
Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I have to cover my eyebrows.
Because she's got some great, yeah, she's got quite a few little pictures here.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
We're not going anywhere though, right?
Did I do okay?
Let's not go anywhere.
Really should have done this before I had makeup on.
Yeah.
But we can fix it.
There, that's a good one.
Oh yeah, that's, oh god, those brows are something.
Aren't they?
Transylvania. How I conceal these bad
brows.
These bad brows. Were you guys allowed to watch Rocky Horror Picture Show when you were a kid? Asking for a friend.
I'll turn it down.
Oh, it's so sad. It's just the way it has to be.
Yeah, I know. It is sad because I want to just sing along, George.
I know you do. I could tell when we went to the show.
Did I sing too loud?
No, I loved it.
Made me cry. I love it so much. Look what you made me do.
Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me look and made me look me do. Get that copywritten material out of our video.
Out of our video.
God damn it.
Oh, I just want to sing along, but I can't do it without it.
Hi, everyone. Goodbye, eyebrows.
Wait, don't sing. Don't sing. It's not time yet.
Get out of here, Meatloaf.
I want to hang out.
I want to hang out.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Meatloaf.
Her contour's red.
Her contour. Well, so is her hair.
She has no blush on. What am I going to do?
Or freckles. Jordy. 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 There comes a time when freckles just don't fit in. Honey.
It's just lying.
Yeah, that's it.
I guess I need to go in and just sketch where my brow's going to be so I have a little reference.
Look at how high those
God
bad boys
damn.
are. Oh, that's my brow brush too. You have the best brushes.
You know.
Best.
Holy shit, these are
I know.
touching her hairline.
It's a great eyeshadow she has too.
Pretty sure these are the brows I had last year.
Oh, they are.
We just keep doing the same looks over and over again, but in different variations.
Yeah, babe, that's it. Are you disappointed that they're so high?
I mean, goth 14-year-old me, these are like my dream brows, so I guess I should embrace it.
Yes, she has your collar on too.
I look good, like.
Yeah, I'm so glad that I gave you all that support.
Well, yeah, really, because
Yeah.
you did let me express myself.
Absolutely, I did.
And now it's literally my job.
And Kelsey still wears mismatched socks, and she is 26.
I mean, don't we all? Is that not a normal
Oh.
thing to wear mismatched socks?
No, I match my socks.
What? So
You
does
guys
Luke.
just
It
were
drives him
tired.
insane.
You guys are just tired of pairing socks up in that nasty
We have
basket.
a sock basket too.
Do you? I got rid of the sock basket when you guys moved out.
Got some really shiny eyeshadow.
Beautiful eyeshadow.
Stunning. One of the only shadows I've ever hit pan on. It's the bomb
It's
diggity.
just about gone.
Oh, I need to re-up.
I had that little bit of a dry spot under my eyes because I cry all the time.
Oh my god, stop fucking crying.
Jody, I just work so much.
I'm gonna use this bright white. Put that away.
Okay.
Okay.
Man.
She has highlighter on her whole entire lid.
Yeah.
Cute look.
Yeah, I guess so.
We're getting shiny. Good.
Yeah. There, you're getting it now. There you go.
I wish I should have bought the orange hairspray. I wish I remembered that I had that wig. Okay, let's go back to your iconic look.
Let's do it.
Let's do your brows.
Uh-huh.
They're terrifying.
I can hardly wait.
Have you ever had such a brow? Good. I'm doing good.
Have I ever had such a brow?
They're about 1 centimeter apart.
He has a bit of a 4 o'clock shadow.
Isn't it 5 o'clock?
Yeah. It's only 4. We don't want to tell people the real time.
Oh my god, what time is it? 11.
It's not even noon. I don't think it's 5 o'clock
Check
in
out your
Mexico.
brow. Check that out, girl.
Nice.
Sexy.
I wish I had brows. Billy Manchild Evans.
Billy Manchild Evans, that's my brother. Okay, I'm gonna go get your phone for you so you can make it not do that. You look so pretty. You gonna peep that? Looking good.
Looking good, love it. Let's do the time warp again. Rocky Horror is one of my favorite shows of all time in the world. In the world. I would love to see it in all countries. Hey, baby boy, what's going on?
Right now with the vest and the eyes and everything, you're looking a little bit Edward Scissorhands.
Oh, that'd be another good
Those
one.
eyebrows are amazing.
They are.
That's such a good brow.
I wish we had all had red lips that night.
I
I
did.
mean, I wanted.
I had it in my pocket.
Oh,
brought it for
George, why
everybody.
didn't you tell me to put some on?
I think I did tell you it was in my pocket.
Oh.
I think you were just in the zone.
I was already rocking up.
Yep. Line your upper eye real nice and thick. You gotta get that little inner corner flick. I don't know how many moms would be game with becoming Frankenfurter. I'm pretty lucky.
What? Who would not? All moms should be a Frank for a day.
At least once.
At least once. I'm trying to think if there was somebody who wanted to be Frankenfurter. Mick Jagger.
Get out!
Yeah, he wanted to be, and Doctor Who.
Okay. That would have been hilarious.
Oh my gosh. I can't imagine anyone but Tim Curry being that. No.
Tim Curry is the
Yeah,
one.
the one.
He is Frank.
He actually did it on stage, and that's why they wanted him on film. Maybe I was Frank in another life, Jordy.
Oh my god, I fucking knew it. I've been saying this my whole life.
I thought I heard you say that in school in grade 2.
I did.
Yeah.
To my teacher, and then I got sent to counseling.
And then they called me. And I had to go to counseling too. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
Vancouver. I'm
Yeah.
gonna get you to put on a little bit of mascara because your eyelashes are much lighter than.
Then Frank's? Come on. We're almost family, Jordy.
No, not Frank's. I mean your eyeshadow.
Oh.
Okay, it's just got a cute little cat eye.
See if I can cover up my 4 gray eyelashes.
That's so cool.
Sure it is.
It is. You look very convincing. Yeah, so she has black in her waterline as well.
Yes.
I hate doing that.
I do too.
Makes my eyes look
See there? Look it.
puny. We should have got Brandon in on this. And Kelsey, we could have had a riffraff and a magenta. They're brother and sister too.
Jord.
Damn it.
Damn it.
Janet.
I love you.
So we're gonna put some highlighter to make this a little silvery.
Just lighten Frankie up a little bit.
Make him a little bit more glam. Look at that.
Oh, I like that. I really like that.
Stunning. Accentuates the brow hairs a little bit, but I'm not gonna worry about that.
Okay.
She does have lashes.
Aw, lucky. No freckles though.
Freckles.
No freckles though.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. No idea what these lashes are. They're just little, so we'll do a little lash.
Oh, does she have a little lash?
She does.
She does.
Yeah. When you pop that wig on, I can't wait for that moment.
I'm gonna be a different man. You live in British Columbia.
Oh shit! What are the chances?
Jordy. Oh my gosh. Can't believe we just came up with that.
Some kind of conspiracy theory. Okay, so I think we just need lips, and then we're gonna get our costumes on.
I'm
I
excited
can't wait
for
to
the
do
lips.
Frank's lip.
Me too.
So it's a black liner with
yeah.
a red lip. I love that. Going with some Marc Jacobs.
Oh yeah.
Because they don't need to be sharpened because they twist up.
You didn't like me. You never liked me.
I loved you.
Yeah.
Blend that out with some red. I actually really like a black lined red lip. Aside from being a Frank lip, I like the way it looks in just beauty looks. Is that your stomach?
Mm-hmm.
You're so popular.
That's just my Billy Man child saying hugs.
So cute.
Yeah. Sorry, hearts were for Shalina.
She was happy about the hearts, but they weren't for her. They were for his girlfriend. Ain't that some shit? Let me fold the napkins into swans for you, my king. I'm gonna clean up that bottom with a little concealer.
Yeah. Do that, would you?
If you could hold still, that wouldn't happen.
I have a hard time looking at you with those eyebrows. It's like you're so excited.
You're so Frank. It's unreal.
I can hardly wait to put the wig on.
But I can't wait. I'm not using right now.
She's going through the lipstick drawer from hell.
It's organized-ish. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's so on point, but I'll probably get busted for copyright. They'll think it's the real song.
Oh, yeah, because it's so close. So when I was 15 years old, I worked in the theater where it would go on at midnight, and then I'd have to walk home from Calgary and Huntington Hills. I'd have to walk home about an hour to get home because nobody would pick me up because my parents were in bed.
That is so dangerous.
So awful. Like nowadays it is.
I need some mascara.
But it was just outrageous in the theater. We used to have to, so we'd spend like a half hour afterwards sweeping and cleaning up and going through every aisle because there was always fun stuff left in the aisles.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Oh my gosh, it was a wild, fun crowd. Loved it. I just loved the show.
I need my white bow tie to be red with glitter, so I'm just going to cover it with red glitter. Wish me luck. I'm just using a glue stick.
We're going to create our designs while we're on camera.
You know it. DIY video. How to make your own glitter blow tie. Blow tie.
And don't do this at home.
Or do.
If your parents are paying for your dental bill,
Oh,
I am not going to. That's really nice.
She's pretty. Oh my god, what do I do though? It's gonna get glitter everywhere. Oh, wow, there's glitter everywhere already.
Jordy.
Ooh, that's glitter.
Oh, I'm gonna go to work. Oh, that's just bad.
It's gonna haunt me forever.
Let's do the time warp again.
Unknown caller.
Oh, sorry, but that's a.
Let's get our costumes on.
Let's do it.
You're so frank.
So frank.
Okay, one last thing. We got a tattoo her. And it just so happens to be a very relevant tattoo because it says boss and she is the boss.
And
Make
I
it
am
big
the
for
boss.
me.
This is for all my staff.
There you go.
Yeah. Nice.
I think we did all right.
I think we did okay too, Jord.
We had to make do with what we had. These are very DIY. I'm drunk for this.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Happy
Frank.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween! My mom, everybody. Every year.
Annually. Yep.
Forever.
And give us some ideas so that we
Please.
can do something again crazy.
It doesn't have to be mother-daughter. It can be Frank and Columbia.
That's right. That's right.
I hope you enjoyed our tutorial.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! From Transsexual Transylvania.
Oh, yeah.